Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to Target today. These deals run from August the 25th to August the 31st. As always, these deals are all digital, so you're going to score just by using your phone and the IBOTTA app. Now, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write these deals down. If you're watching from YouTube, just look in the description box for printable breakdown. If you're watching from TikTok, also look for the link in the bio and you'll be able to find that. Now, there are some okay deals going on at Target this week, but we still have some good ones. Starting off, we have the deal where if you buy 4 of the personal hair care products, you'll get back a $5 gift card. So you're going to start off by getting these Skintimate razors. They are $5.99. There is a $3 coupon on the Target app. That $3 coupon is going to make the razors $2.99. So already starting off with something with pretty much a BOGO deal. But remember, we're going to be getting back that $5 at the end, so it's going to make it even cheaper. Next up is the Skintimate Shave Gel. These are $3.99. There is a $1 coupon on the Target app. With that $1 coupon, it's going to make it $2.99. Then you're going to pick up 2 of the Pure Zero shampoo and conditioner. They are $5.99. The total for both of them is $11.98. On the Target app, there is a $2.50 coupon that applies. That's going to bring your total down to $9.48. In addition, we're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA. IBOTTA has a rebate. When you buy 2, you'll get $4 back. So, with the coupon and the $4 back from IBOTTA, it's going to make the total $5.48. Now, going back to all 4 of our items that we purchased, with that $5 gift card, we're going to get back after purchasing those items, the coupon and the Ibotta rebates. Your total for everything is going to come down to $6.46 or about $1.62 per item. Next up is the Neutrogena face wash. These are $4.99. There is a $3.50 coupon on the Target app. That's going to bring the total down for this face wash to $1.49. So we have some great deals going on right now on the Pampers diapers. Now, I'm not going to really give you a scenario, but I just wanted to highlight some things. So any of the Pampers diapers, there's different types of deals, but if you spend $100, you'll get back a $20 Target gift card on your next purchase. I know you're thinking, wow, $100 on diapers, but that is very easy to do and how everything costs right now. But let me show you how you can get your out of pocket even lower with this $20 back after you spend 100. So this is how you can mix and match to bring your out of pocket even lower with that $20 back when you spend 100. There is a $5 coupon on the Target app for Pampers diapers, a $5 coupon for the Pampers Cruisers 360, a $5 for the Pampers Easy Ups, a $5 for the Pampers Pure Training Wear, a $5 for the baby wipes, and a $2 for the Pampers Splashers. So right there on your app, you have $27 worth of coupons that you can mix and match to get your out of pocket even lower. In addition, when you buy these items, you can submit your receipt to Ibotta. There's a $1 back on the Pampers diapers, $2 back on the Pampers baby wipes, $1 back on the Pampers Cruisers 360, $5 back on the Sensitive Baby, $2 back on the Splashers, $3 back on the baby wipes, and $2 back on the Training Easy Up. So just add those together and you'll get a lot lower out of pocket than you would be just paying for it out of pocket full price. So we have a great freebie on this item called All About Curls. So there's different products, but the cheapest one was $4.99. Now this All About Curls is also part of the buy 4 of the hair care products. Get back a $5 gift card. So this is the deal. You're going to pick up 4 of these. They are $4.99 each. Your total is $19.96. You're going to get back $5 after you make your purchase. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. There's an Ibotta reward for $5 back on each one. This Ibotta reward can be done up to 3 times. So make sure you check on that. It can be done up to 3 times, not 4, but remember, we're getting 4. So with the gift card and the $15 back from Ibotta, it's going to make it a moneymaker of 1 penny per bottle of All About Curls. This is the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Natural Toner. These are $4.99. So what you're going to do for this one is you're going to pick up 2 of them. Your total is going to be $9.98. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4.94 because you bought 2. Your total after the Ibotta rebate is $5.04 or $2.52 per bottle. This is the Sir Kensington's salad dressing or mayonnaise. They are $7.79 per bottle. On the Target app, there is a $3 coupon. With that $3 coupon, it's going to bring your total at the register down to $4.79. Then you'll submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3. With a $3 coupon and the $3 back from Ibotta, your total for this salad dressing is $1.79. We have another freebie on the Airwick Advance plug-in. This is the warmer. These are $3.99. There is a one-time manufacturer coupon on the Target app. Just clip that in. You're going to be getting a total freebie right here for $3.99. So that's a must-do deal. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video and let me know in the comments you made it to the end. It always helps when you guys watch my videos all the way through. I appreciate the support. I work really hard to bring you all of these deals to make it easier for you and your family. Don't forget about the printable breakdown in the description box because you don't need to write these deals down. You can either pull it up on your phone or you could print it off if you wanted to. It will be in the description box on a printable breakdown, or in TikTok, it will be in the link in the bio. I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.